Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to my another new Excel video. So let's get started. Today, I'm gonna share another Excel video. It will be on what if analysis. So let's get started and let me open new Excel sheet. Okay. So here you can see the new uh, Excel video on what if analysis. So today we will see how can we um, the unknown value by taking help of what if analysis. Basically, what if analysis will help us to find out the value which we don't know and the value which is needed to know the exact number actually. So here you can see internal evaluation grade number in B column and full number in C column. Okay, so here if you see, then you can easily understand. Here we have assumed assignment 1 and the grade number is 4 and full number is 5. So here you can see assignment 2 grade number. We don't know what would be the grade number, and full number is 5. Almost here all the full number is 5, but the number getting number is not same actually. So number 5, number 4 tutorial, it has got 5 viva, 3 class attendance, 4 class performance, 3. So total number, actually what is total number we don't know. We have to skip this number and we have to calculate actually, then we will get the total number. So to get the total number, we have to write equal sign, then of course equal sign, then we have to write sum. Actually we want to sum the total number. This is why we have to write sum. Then first bracket, give a first bracket. Okay, and all the numbers select here, then bracket close, then click on enter button. Then we have got total number is 19, but what will be the blank number we don't know, but we need a blank number because our required number is 22. So let's get started. Let's get started and go to data option. Okay, click on data option. So I have clicked on data option, and here you can see here what if analysis. Actually that tool will help us to try to various values for the formulas in your sheet using scenario manager, goal seek, and data table. So click on it. Then here we have to go to the goal seek option. Okay, goal seek option, that means you can easily understand that for what we will go to the goal seek. Actually we want actually the number which is not given actually, right? So we have to click on a total number, that is the set cell. Of course total number, we have click on it. Then true value, actually what is true value? We know that true value is, that is required value, that is 22 actually, true value, that is 20 22. And by changing, actually we want to change here. Okay, so this is why we have to click on this option and we have to click OK option, then we will get easily. So here you can easily understand, and you saw here the number is 3 actually. So in this way lots of our various problems this we can easily solve by what if analysis and through goal seek. Okay, so this is here you can easily understand it was 3 actually, right? So if we look at another example, then we can easily understand. So here you can see the product name in G column, here revenue in H column, here margin in I column, and contribution J column. Actually we here The product name bakery, revenue was 3 lakhs, margin was 30%, and contribution. Actually, we don't know what is the contribution, so calculate contribution. So we have to first give equal sign, of course, equal sign given, and then revenue, okay, revenue, and multiplied by 30%. Okay, 30%, then click on enter. So we have got 90,000 actually the contribution. So similarly we have to calculate here. Then so don't know, so give equal sign. Okay, give an equal sign, then percentage of revenue was 40, then multiplied by 20%, then click on enter. Then we have got 9,000 actually. So here pasty, the revenue was 4,50,000, and profit margin, it was 20%, then the contribution was 90,000. So here you can see sweets actually, what how much amount do we have to sell, and what would be margin, we don't know actually. So total here we don't know what is total. So for getting total, then give equal sign, then sum, right, sum, then first bracket, then select all the option, then bracket close, then click on enter option. Then total will total is 1,80,000 actually, and target amount 2,50,000. So what will be its revenue, we don't know. So to find out this option, so we have to take the help of what if analysis. So click on it, then go to goal seek, then actually set value will be targeted total actually, and click on it, that is the set value, and true value will be of course 2,50,000, no doubt. So by changing actually where we want to see the change here, actually we want to change, see the change here, and of course click on it and click on two options, not two, here we want to change action, so click on it, then of course it will be filled out. Okay, uh, why it happened actually, target value, current value. Okay, so the amount was not right, so actually we didn't get the exact amount, so back again. So okay, paste, so it's okay, and again go to what if analysis, then goal save, then actually total it was okay, given 0. Okay, sorry, again I'm making this video, it was wrong. So actually 0, no, equal sign given, then click on here, multiplied by percentage, then enter option, so it was 0. Sum, this is why I have given the wrong answer. Okay, give a equal sign, then write down sum, then give plus bracket, then drag on the number, then close the second bracket, then click on it, then okay, then go to of course what if analysis, then goal seek. Okay, targeted value, true value will be of course 2,50,000. 2,50,000 by changing cell, actually changing cell will be, that is, then click on it, then of course got the amount. Okay, so in this way we can solve various problem by using what if analysis. If we have mm, if we face like this problem, so that is very interesting, and it will save our time actually, no doubt. So very interesting topic we have learned today. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you very much.